Alright, today we're going to be ripping on the TTR 2021. Electric cranked up. Watch. Alright. So, I'll show you how to cock the wheels. If you ain't learning fitters, you ain't ripping in a tutor. My name's Braden Jenner. I like to ride dirt bikes. I like to fish. I like to hunt. And I like to pop wheelies. Alright, we're fixing to get some wheelie action with Braden. Here we go. How was that? What happened?
That guy just fell off.
You good?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, shoot. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Somewhat fun. Yep. How's the brakes? They good? Alright. This is a TTR. They don't brake. Not like a Honda though, you know? Yeah. Alright, we're going to the track that we made a few minutes ago. Alright. See y'all there. Alright, we're gonna have a little pit bike track race. Gonna be around there. There's a little jump over there, if y'all can see it. We're gonna be doing timing, so see y'all there. 3, 2, 1, go. $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20. Alright, it would be amazing if y'all would subscribe to this early channel. We're going to try to make as much content of fishing, hunting, and riding. So how you feel about this race going on right here?
Pretty good. It's gonna be fun.
You think you're going to win?
Heck yeah.
Nah, you suck.
Heck no. Alright.
Okay, start your engine. See if you know how to. Go! How'd you feel about that?
Pretty good. I think I was pretty fast. Faster than him. Faster
Yeah, that's a
than
lie. So, how'd you feel in the jump?
It's pretty good. I think I got a lot of air. We might go fishing
Yeah.
in this vlog. Yeah. But leave down in the comments, see who won the race.